Alright, so I'm going to show you the right way to install your Maxbulk Mailer Pro. Okay, the first thing you need to do here is to turn off the internet. If your internet is turned on, you have to turn it off. Okay, you can see I already turned this off. So, and secondly, you need to turn off your Windows Defender. Okay, you just go to your Windows Defender, okay, or Windows Security. And when you get to your Windows Security, you click on this virus and threat protection. Alright, you scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, then click on manage settings, and then turn off all this. Turn all this off, real-time protection. But after the installation, you need to go back here and turn everything on. Okay, so you go to your app and browser, then you click on this reputable base protection settings. Okay, then you have to turn all this off as well. Okay, the software is the reason why you need to turn them off, because when you're installing the software, Windows may detect it as a third-party software. Okay, so it may not work perfectly. Now, after you have done all that, you now go to this file you just downloaded, then click on extract here. Okay, now once you have extracted it, double click on it to open. Okay, you can see I have two files here, so depends on the system you are using. If you are using 32-bit, you have to click on 32. If you are using 64, for me, I'm going to use 64. Okay, I double click on it and open, then install the setup. Double click the setup and install. Click yes. Click OK. English, select English, and then select accept the agreement. Click next. Click next again. Next. You can create a shortcut on your desktop, then click next. Okay, then and click on install. Okay, so once the setup is installed, what you need to do here is just to click on this box, uncheck this box. Okay, you click on this and then click finish. All right, the next thing you want to do here is to right click on the keygen and extract it as well. Extract it here. Okay, you can see you have a keygen here, so you double click on the folder. This is a keygen. You can then double click on the keygen, select and copy this. Once you copy, you can close it. Once you close that, you can go ahead and open Maxbulk Mailer. Okay, Maxbulk Mailer. Okay, so you open this. And once it's open, it will be asking you for activation key. So the next thing, you have to paste it here. All right, and then click on register. Okay, Maxbulk Pro registration has been successful. Then you click OK. All right, so you can see that you already have a registered version of this software. Click on this help, then go to about Maxbulk Mailer. Then you can see you have the pro version registered. Okay, this is exactly how you can actually register this successfully. If you find this video helpful, you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.